You're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to do a continuation of the video I did a few days ago about hedging trading. So you can actually hedge your position on Binance Features. And when you hedge your position, like I said earlier in that video, you are actually protecting yourself against risks, and also you lock in your profits. That means if you've taken a long position, you can actually lock your profits, and if there is market volatility, a high market volatility, that your profits won't be lost anymore. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to go through how to place a hedge position again on Binance, and I'm going to show you a brief strategy that you can use to trade your profits and have a massive gain. So all of those in this very video. If you are new to the channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So if I want to go to Binance Features, I go to here, derivative, and then I'll go to this very first option. Right now, I have to turn on the hedge mode. Like I said earlier, you have to go to this area, and then you go to preference, and then you click on position mode, and then instead of one-way mode, you have to choose hedge mode and click confirm. So when you click on the hedge mode, you will see open. So if you're on the open tab here, you see open long and open short. And if you're on the close tab here, you see close short. So that means if you want to open a long position right there and the market move in your favor, and then if you think from your analysis market is going to go down from this area, that means if I go here and pick this up, and then if I enter the position from this area and the market get to this level, and I think from my analysis the market is going to go down from here, I'm possibly going to take a short position to collect this short-term gain, number one. Number two, to protect the profits I have made from this very point to this very level. So actually what I want to do now is I want to open a long position. Okay, a long position. So how can I do that? I'll go to open, and then I'm going to open long. So I'm going to put in my leverage. So in this case, I'm going to choose the isolated margin, and then I'm going to leave it at 6x leverage, and I'm going to put the position size for BTC that I want to trade. So in this case, I'm using 0.001 BTC, which is equivalent to this amount in USDT. Then I will open long. So immediately I open long, remember I'm on market order. Okay, you can use any type of order here that you want to use depending on your analysis. So if you look at here right now, I'm already in an open position, okay, and I'm on the hedge mode. So right now I can take another position, which is a short position. Now, so what you do is, instead of you taking a short position immediately, you allow the trade to move in your favor. The trade have to move in your favor a little bit. Then when you're in profit, you can then take an opposite position, which should be a short position of this long position. Number one, you lock in your profit. Number two, if the market goes down against the long position which you take earlier, then it means that your profit from the long position is already locked in, and then you also profit from the short movement to the downside, and you can actually collect that profit again. So for the sake of example, I will just go ahead and place another short position, and it will reflect here as well. So I will go here and then open long, and then I will click on open short. So I have to leave it at isolated margin, 6x leverage, and then 0.001 BTC, and then I'll open short. So immediately I open short here, it will reflect right down here. Okay, you will see the two trades running right now. So this is hedging mode. Remember, I am on BTC USDT perpetual contract, and this is a long position. The first one here, and then the second one here is a short position. Okay, so that is how you place a hedging trade, and then you can close this position by simply going to close position, and then I can close short and also close long, and then I will close short. Immediately I close short, the second position here, which is a short position, will be closed, and then if I close long, then the first position here, which is a long position, will be closed as well. I can simply go to market here and close the position, or click on this other market here to close the second position, or I can close all positions at once. So if I want to close it, then I will go to close here, and then I will just move the slider. I want to close 100%, and then I will close short. Immediately I close short, then my first position will be closed. And then if I go ahead again, the same close, and then I will put 100% of the slider here, and then I'll close long. Immediately I close long, the long position out as well will be closed. Now, there is a very important strategy I want to show you that you can take advantage of when trading the futures market using the hedge mode. Let's say, for example, you take a short position right there. You discover this was an impulse. So if this is an impulsive move, then we are expecting a retracement to come into the market. So the retracement starts from this area. Then you want to short the market from this very area. You want to short the market from this very area here. So if you short the market from here and you place a stop loss around this area, and then you place a short position. Now, when you place a short position, we want to see a volume spike. Now, immediately we see a volume spike right here. We want to take a long position to hedge this our short position that we enter here. So in this case, I'm entering the market at this very point. That's after the close of this very candle right here. For the close of this very candle right here, and then I'm riding the market right down. So I'm looking for a volume spike on the volume indicator that will signal a long position. So this will signal a long position, and then I will enter long, and then I will ride the market, collect short profit, exit the market, and then allow the market to go in my favor. Remember, I'm not closing the short position that I placed earlier. So if you look at this area here, market go right down, go up again, and then if you take a short position right at this point, if you take a short position here, let's say for example you take a short position at the close of this very candle, and then your stop loss is around this area, and then your take profit is around this very level. Okay, so what to do right here, if you are on the hedging mode and you want to hedge this very particular market, you want to look out for a volume spike, which is very significant here. Immediately after the volume spike, you have to go over to the smaller time frame. So what I will do here is I will mark out this level, and I will go to the 15-minute chart and then take a long position. So all you need to do right now is to go to the 15-minute chart right here, and then you figure out this very particular area. So if I go to the 15-minute chart right here, you discover that this market have gone right down, and this very level is where you're supposed to place another long position against the short position, because you are already on the hedge mode. So when you do that, you are actually logging in your profit you made from this area to this very level, and then your stop loss is still intact. And when the market go back up because of the volume spike, this volume spike indicates exhaustion of this very particular impulsive move. So after the exhaustion, market must definitely go back up. So as we place a short position, market go back up in our favor. Remember, we've already logged in this very particular profit. So in this way, you profit either way the market goes. Number one, like I said earlier in the other video, that the purpose for hedging is to log in your profit and to protect yourself against high volatility that may come into the market, which is unknown. So that is that, guys, for today's video. So you can actually hedge your position either way with perfection. If you've not subscribed to the channel, help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and turn on the bell notification. If you like this content, please leave a like for this video. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.